Today I'll be going over how to use the Ultimate Locator administration section for adding and editing your distributor local business listings. I'm going to go ahead and just start with the login screen here. As you can see, we're using one of our clients, dkslocator.com. The actual locator is located within the main domain at /locator, and as you can see, this is what the front end looks like with the zip code lookup, state, city name, category, and product, and they also have Canadian and international listings. So we're going to go ahead and go back here, and the administration section is actually located under locator/admin, and in order to go through these listings, you can go under records and you'll see browse all, and this will be the entire listing of all zip code lookup records, and you can sort these by record ID, name, address, city, state, etc., etc. You can edit or delete here. You can also view the record. These numbers with the hearts around them are the preferred levels, so if you want a company to show up higher up than other levels, like if you have a national distributor as opposed to a regional distributor, you would probably want to use a level system where you have the nationals rank 1 and regionals rank 2, etc., etc. So that's how you would go through and browse and edit. You can delete a record by hitting delete record and then searching for what you want to delete. You can edit the record also through the search function. Most of the time, using the browse all feature is the most effective. And then there's also the add record feature we have here. So going through this, you'll want to set the level. Specifically for dkslocator.com, we use level 2 for all of the listings. The name of the company, street address, city, state, country. Put in the zip code, telephone, fax, email, and website link text. So if you want it to be something like go to their site or website, that's what you would pick, and then you would have the ability to designate whether or not it's an online store or whether or not it's you would generally designate this if they have an e-commerce system set up where you can just point them to the online store. For the categories that DKS Locator uses, we have multiple categories that different businesses are designated: access and gate, services and install, access and install. So if a user were to search here and they were to look and they would search for a category and they just want access install, they don't want anything else, they can search here, and only the companies that only do access install would come up. It's important, however, that if you want to make it so that a company like access and gates and services and install, a company that does it all, has all of these selected, so that they will always come up even if an individual just wants to access install. Down here you have the option to upload an image or a small icon, which can be the logo if you want to promote specific companies within these search results. And then if you want to at any given time, you can disable a record without deleting it. And then save, and it will automatically populate to your database. We recommend not usually playing with the import or export records, specifically because the Ultimate Locator database system is very picky, and most individuals are likely to break their site just by updating the records through the CSV. We can have you export the records of locations in case you want to make a backup of your file before you start to make changes, just in case in the future you would like to revert to a previous setup. So that's pretty much it for today. This is just to go over Ultimate Locator, how to add and edit records within the Ultimate Locator location lookup system. So just if you have any questions, please email Jordan at dogsadesign.com. Thanks. Have a great day.